guys, in today's video I would like to share with you some teas that I have tried and some I have never tried as yet but hope to in the future. And these teas, guys, they are helpful, okay guys, in many ways. They do have side effects, some of them, so you should always do your research before you go trying teas, and also consult your doctor, because I'm not a doctor, okay guys. I'm just sharing with you that some of these teas have been helpful to me, and in the past I did shrink fibroid, and I'm just giving you a bit of a testimony of how helpful these teas are. So I care about you, the viewer, and sharing is caring. So I am excited and I'm happy to share with you some of these teas. And most of these teas, guys, you would put in infuse in hot water, in hot water. Infuse or diffuse is the word. In hot water, you would boil not for a very long time, and some of them are tea bags. Some you put in hot water and some you would boil for just a couple of minutes. But guys, it's I just want to encourage you that it's good to drink tea, okay? It's good to drink tea, whether it's hot or cold. Not everybody likes hot. Some people like to drink it cold, but it's good to drink some form of herbal tea. And without further ado, guys, let's get into the video. So guys, I have a wide variety of teas I would like to share with you. We should drink tea, guys. Not everybody likes the tea English breakfast, and it shows here the ingredients for this tea is organic black tea. That's the ingredient for this one, and I bought it in there was like a wide variety in this container that I purchased. So I just took one flavor of each. So in that container I got the tea English breakfast, and this is the sencha green tea, okay. And then this ingredient shows the organic green tea. It should be organic, green tea. And this one, the English tea breakfast, is the organic black tea. And I put this together with this because this is like, you have green tea in different brands. This is the Laura Secord, and this is the Uncle Lee's tea. I like this one, guys. This one is very good. The Uncle Lee's green tea. So and I've used this before, and I would recommend this tea. It says here, green tea is considered to be one of the healthiest beverages you can drink on the planet today. It is full of health promoting antioxidants. Okay, and this one is this is green tea also. It's the same as the one I showed you before, and this is, I put it beside this just to show you that this is another form of green tea. This is the Grace brand, the Grace green tea. But I prefer, of all the green teas, I prefer the Uncle Lee's, because green tea has a taste that you won't really like, but for some reason I enjoy the Uncle Lee's brand with just hot water. And this one is white tea. The white tea, and the ingredient is organic white tea. And I put it beside this one because this is another form of organic white tea that I bought. I purchased from Amazon. I ordered it online, guys, when I was trying to shrink fibroid, and drinking. Like, I can't drink one tea, guys. I have to drink a wide variety of teas, right? Like, you get bored drinking the same thing. So, and then sometimes it's good to change, because your body gets used to one thing, and it sometimes probably doesn't work after a while. So it's good to trick the body, and change the type of teas you're drinking. If you're treating something such as like fibroid or tumor. And this also helped with when I was shrinking the fibroid, guys, and it did work. I got result, thank God. This is organic roasted dandelion root tea. This is very good tea, okay. Yeah, this tea is non-GMO, and the instructions there on how to drink it, how to prepare it. Okay, but this one I highly recommend. I like this one with the I like the dandelion tea. It reminds me of coffee in some ways. Just with hot water, it's good for me. The dandelion tea along, and also the green tea. I like those two both. But these tea, I don't find them to be as strong as, you know, but sometimes you don't have the root or the fruit, like such as the lime or lemon and ginger on hand, you know, you might not have any around. So it's good to keep the packets handy. So when you buy packets, what for me, I'm going to be buying ginger lemon packet teas, right? So naturally you're going to go out and buy the natural ginger and lemon and make your tea. But it's good to keep these on hand. So just look at the way they mix it here, and then you would go out and buy the natural root and make your tea whenever possible. But as I said, it's good to keep these on hand. And this is the Caribbean Dreams brand. It says here, Caribbean Dreams Ginger Lemon Blend brings 2 unique flavors together that naturally complement each other with their nutritional and medical qualities. Ginger for its stimulating properties, and lemon for its purifying ability. This is the ginger mint, okay? So you would go out and get your natural ginger mint if you choose to have it a stronger drinking tea then, because I find sometimes you have to use 2 tea bags because one is not good enough, okay? And or not strong enough. Your adrenaline going with a refreshing cup of Caribbean Dreams ginger mint. From that first aroma, your taste buds will crave for that unique, rich, strong blend of ginger and peppermint. And speaking about peppermint, guys, I like this one of all, the Angel brand Jamaican peppermint. Guys, different cultures has different you know, you might have ginger mint in your culture but a different brand, but I'm just showing you the brand that you know, me as a Jamaican would buy. But I really love this one. So, you know, showing you all these teas, you would get the brand in your culture, or whatever it is that you like, whichever brand. But this one I recommend the Jamaican peppermint. And this one, you know, you would boil it in hot water just a little bit because it's very strong. And this is good for like cramps, you know, tummy cramps, aches, pain, upset stomach, you know, women with period cramps, that kind of thing. It helps. Lemongrass. The lemongrass is not bad either. Fever grass tea. And this is also another Caribbean Dream brands. And yeah, there it is. And also I went over, yeah, I did go over the green tea, the Grace brand. And cinnamon leaves. They say cinnamon leaves is good for you to drink as tea. Okay, a lot of these teas are good for upset stomach, or, you know, feeling nauseated. This is the Cersei. Cersei is bitter. It's like the bitter melon. Okay, you can get the fruit from the bitter melon and juice it, put it through your juicer. You could drink your tea hot or cold, however you'd enjoy it. But sometimes, especially on a winter day, you know, winter day, it's very cold, minus 40 degrees or what have you, something hot is good. And for upset stomach, as I said, period cramps, women go through that. And, you know, we get aches, pains, and whatever reason, teas are good for you guys. Like, you know, and this is the eucalyptus. The eucalyptus, yeah, the eucalyptus. I never opened this, but I don't like the way the leaves look on this one. But anyway, that's the eucalyptus leaf tea, and I've never drank the eucalyptus before. Okay, the moringa leaf is another tea also. I have never drank, but I bought these to you know, to try them out. And this one I have tried they call it the geisha, but this is the soursop leaf, and it's good for you also. And you know, infections, teas are also good for infections, inflammation, pain, and the guinea head weed. These are all angel brand products, and they are good for you guys. So let me see if I can some of these teas I can give you. And as I said, also, okay guys, also the teas has side effects, okay guys. Teas has side effects, and you should always, like, you know, whenever you're trying something, you would try a little bit to see if there's any reaction, because depending on your diet, I suppose sometimes, you know, you can have side effects with it, whether it's rash or, so it's always good to also consult your doctor. Okay guys, consult your doctor before you try certain things. And certain things, if you're trying it on your own, you try a little bit to see if there's any reaction, any rashes or what have you. And disclaimer guys, in no way shape or form, I'm not a doctor guys, and as I said, consult your doctor. But for me, I did personally go out and try these things. I had no reaction, but everybody's different. And yeah, disclaimer, as I said, I'm no doctor. I'm not a medical doctor. I'm just sharing with you that I tried these and I never really had any reaction. So I'm just recommending some of these teas to you. You don't have to try all of them, but it's good to try, you know, different things. And as I said, teas are good for inflammation, you know, soreness, what have you. High blood pressure, it helps to regulate your blood pressure. Different teas has different advantages, okay? And you should get into the habit of liking to drink tea, whether so you want to have it hot or cold. So guys, teas contains antioxidants, and tea has less caffeine than coffee, okay? And tea also may reduce your risk of heart attack and stroke. Teas may help with weight loss. Teas may help protect your bones. They're also good for your teeth. Some teas, like the white tea, is good for your teeth. Tea may help to keep your smile bright. Okay, they may also, the tea may boost the immune system, helps to boost your immune system, and tea may help battle cancer. Also, herbal tea may help soothe the digestive system. Okay, guys. And as I said, you know, you don't have to, if you don't like tea hot, you can have it cold. And tea is there for to help improve our health. And you know, a lot of these teas are from the earth, and you know, they were put here on this earth for us to learn about, educate ourselves on. As I said, the dandelion is my favorite. I never liked it at first, but I got to like it. The peppermint, these three are my favorite: the dandelion, the peppermint, and the green tea. Okay guys, so guys, these teas are also good for cleansing and you know, cleaning you out. We need to clean out after eating certain things like all these oily sugary stuff. We need to cleanse and purge our blood, guys. So tea is good for you. So if not these teas that I share with you, you know, drink tea, the tea that you're used to from your culture. Drink some form of tea that cleanses you. But I'm sure if it's even the peppermint, most of us drink peppermint from any culture, okay? So the peppermint tea is good for you. Also, the dandelion tea is good, and the green tea. The green tea is known worldwide. Most of these teas, guys, I enjoy them without sweetener. Okay, but if not, if you like a teaspoon of sugar is good or so with this tea. But you don't, for it to be effective, you don't want to drink too much. Please don't forget to comment down below and like the video, give the video a thumbs up. Okay guys, and see you in the next video.